Hello students, welcome to class. Today we are going to be reviewing Cocomelon again, which is a kids show that my granddaughter absolutely loves, full of songs and stuff like that. Now, in the past, they haven't been so great. You know, they've been not really talking about speciesism, how it's the first form of racism. They haven't been talking about the animals and how to treat them well. But, you know, we're going to give them a try here again. Apparently, you guys told me at around the 3-minute and 58-second mark, there's some kind of a song about foods or something like that. I don't know. What is it? No, 3 minutes. Let's see. 3 minutes and 58. Okay. Around here, I guess. Okay. Anyway, today what we're looking for is them to be promoting vegan foods. So I hope that the foods they're talking about are vegan. Remember, we also want to be telling kids the truth. We never want to lie to kids, so we want to make sure that that's what they're following here. Always tell kids the truth. Don't lie about what happens to the animals. Don't pretend that it's like old McDonald's farm when we know it's like terrible factory farming that goes on. And we want to tell kids the truth about whatever's going on. We never lie to kids, right? We don't lie about Santa, the Easter Bunny, the Tooth Fairy. We don't lie and pretend that Jesus walked on water. None of it. We tell kids the truth. Teach them critical thinking skills. All right, so let's have a look here and see what we've got. Oh, that's the mom. What's going on? Sneaking around.
Honey, honey.
Yes, darling.
Eating pizza.
No, darling.
Wait. First of all, is that vegan pizza? You didn't say vegan pizza. Oh, come on, guys. Anytime you show food, you have to say vegan pizza. Putting an X. And why is he lying? Why is he lying? Isn't that his wife? X! Don't sneak around and lie to your wife. Oh, God. Is it going to be one of these?
Are you sure?
Yes, darling.
Lying again? She asked him, are you sure? And he lies again. X!
Open your mouth.
Ha, ha, ha.
Wait, what? What do you mean, ha, ha, ha? So he lies, and then he thinks it's funny? X! Don't lie to people in your family.
Darling, darling.
Yes, honey.
Eating ice cream.
No, honey.
Is it vegan? You didn't even say vegan. X!
Sure.
Yes, honey.
Liar!
Open your mouth.
Ha, ha, ha.
There's nothing funny about lying to your husband. X! Oh my God.
Honey, honey.
Yes, darling.
Eating donut.
You didn't say vegan donut. You're lying
Are
again?
you
X!
sure?
X!
Yes, darling.
Again?
Open
X.
your mouth.
Ha, ha, ha.
It's not funny. X! What kind of a marriage is this? What kind of a model is this for children?
Darling, darling.
Yes, honey.
Eating candy.
No, honey.
Is it vegan candy?
Are you sure?
You didn't say...
Yes,
Lying?
honey.
Again? He asks you if you're sure and you lie again?
Ha, ha.
No. Nothing funny about that. Oh no, now the kids. Oh, poor kids growing up in a house like this.
Daddy,
Yes,
Children,
eating junk food.
no children.
Liars!
Are you sure?
yes.
Again you lie to your kids.
In your mouths.
Ha, ha, ha.
Oh, hilarious, just hilarious.
Ha, ha.
So what's going to happen when your kid steals something or smokes drugs or does whatever? All kinds of other things. Lies, cheats on their test, kicks the dog, and then they say, ha ha, just joking. Fuck you, what terrible parents you are. And that's how it ends? It ends with everybody eating the junk food that's not even vegan? Fuck. X. Giant X. Completely failed. When you get a giant X, it means that you did so much wrong that there's no repairing it. So disappointed. Not surprised, though. Freaking Cocomelon. Should be against the law to have this show on the channel. Should be 18 and over. You failed, Cocomelon. Fail. Everybody else, be vegan from now on. Don't eat chickens, pigs, or cows. What else do I have? Speciesism is the first form of racism. Don't be mean to animals, and then you'll learn you won't be mean to people. Be nice to everyone. What else have I got? Yeah, promote vegan foods. That's what you should be doing. Don't lie to kids. You need to tell kids the truth. By the way, if you're not following my newest TikTok, this is it. That non-vegan therapist. I play the part of this crazy therapist. She's the worst therapist in the world. That's it. With dots in between. TikTok. That non-vegan therapist. It's still up for now. Hasn't been banned. So have a look at that. All right. Thank you, everybody, for listening. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe and press the notification bell. Help me get these animals out of hell. Help me get these kids out of this house. Awful. To those of you who are vegan, though, I love you. Don't forget that you are your own best friend. So give yourself a big hug every day. Ready? Squeeze. Big hug. Because you're the only one there. You know, people come and they go in your life. People die. People betray you. But you are always there. So you should be your own best friend. Be nice to yourself and treat yourself as if you are a child and feed yourself healthy vegan foods. Get some exercise. Go out in nature. And don't forget to come and see me as often as you want to. I'm always here. Bye. Love you. Oh, coming up on the screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click on them and be curious. You know, I have over 1,000 videos here. I don't know, I lost track. Some of them you'll see I'm bawling my eyes out because I get very sensitive when I see animals suffer. And you can read the comments and watch how mean people are to me. Some people are so, so cruel in this world. But you don't have to be like them. You can be nice. You really can. Just always imagine that you are the victim. You're the one who's being treated badly. And just be nice. It's not that hard. Don't hurt animals. Bye! See you in the next video.